Welcome! In this guide, we'll show you how to use the Android feature in your BLDC chimney. With an integrated Android interface, your chimney becomes a smart kitchen assistant, offering intelligent suction control, entertainment, guided recipes, and energy-efficient performance, all through an easy touchscreen experience. Long press the power button on the chimney. The Android display will turn on. A QR code will appear on the screen. Scan it using your mobile phone and complete the registration by filling in your details. On the home screen, tap the On icon. The fan starts automatically at level 5, the default suction level. To increase suction, tap the plus icon. You can go up to level 9. To decrease suction, tap the minus icon. For heavy smoke or deep frying, select Turbo mode for maximum performance. For quieter and energy-efficient operation, choose Calm mode. You can also turn on the fan directly by touching the fan icon on the glass panel, even when the screen is off. Below the fan controls, you'll find the LED light settings. Choose between low, medium, or high brightness. To switch off the light, press the power button. On the right side of the screen, you can access Android apps like YouTube, JioSaavn, Prime Music. Watch recipes, play music, or stream content while cooking. On the left side, you'll find the Auto Off feature. Set a timer up to 60 minutes, and the chimney will turn off automatically when time ends. Below that is the timer option. This can also be set up to 60 minutes, but it will not turn off the chimney. It works as a cooking reminder. To activate Auto Clean, tap the brush icon on the top right of the home screen. For advanced settings, go to Settings, then Chimney Settings. Here you can adjust heater duration, blower mode, cleaning reminder hours, display timeout. This helps maintain strong performance with minimal effort. On the top right corner, you'll see icons for settings and Wi-Fi. Inside settings, you'll find Chimney Settings, Help Center. In the Help Center, you can access support details to contact Beyond appliances easily. To connect to Wi-Fi, tap the Wi-Fi icon. Select Add Network. Choose your network and enter the password. Once connected, all Android apps will function smoothly. Swipe left to explore more features. On the second screen, you'll find OTT platforms, music apps, and other Android applications. You'll also find productivity tools like Notes, calendar reminders, perfect for grocery lists and meal planning. Set the number of days your gas cylinder usually lasts. The system will notify you before it runs out, so you're never caught off guard. Open Chef Connect to access Chef Connect. Open Chef Book, select a category, choose a recipe, and follow step-by-step instructions directly on the screen. Your Android BLDC chimney is more than ventilation. It combines smart suction, entertainment, guided cooking, productivity tools, and easy maintenance all in one seamless experience. Thank you for watching. Enjoy smarter cooking with your Beyond BLDC chimney.